So as we decided in a previous video, I told that above this level we can look for buying opportunities, and in here you can see we got one also. And in here I told that further it should consolidate in here a little bit and then give a breakout. Then we can take an entry in here. It performed like that also, and again we got target, and from there it's working in our favor. So now I'll modify new support and resistances. So from here you can take an entry. Once it gives a little retracement in here, then we can take an entry with this as target and furthermore. Okay. There are very high chances that in here there are very high chances that for a longer duration you can see a sideways type of momentum and then a breakout, because on a larger time frame you can see it is currently at a breakout zone, okay, of inverted head and shoulders type of pattern. It is at a breakout zone, so chances are if it gives a breakout, then we can see a huge move. Okay, same in euro USD also. In here I had told that this was a no trade zone. Below this level you can take an entry, and we had to make an entry from here till here. We have achieved good points, 49, 59, and furthermore also. So it has performed as we had told. Now I'll modify new support and resistances. New support and resistances have been modified, so chances are it may retrace till here, then give a resistance, and furthermore, and from here we can expect a good bounce. But if the bounce doesn't come, then chances are we can see further down move. Okay, this will be a no trading zone. I know it's huge, but it's better not to trade here because it will be highly volatile. It's better not to trade. So same in GBPUSD, I told that this was a no trade zone. In here we had to look for shorting opportunities after a bearish pattern, and in here we can expect a good bounce. So we got a good bounce here, but after that, and after a good bounce, we saw further downside momentum. So below this level also, I told that once if it doesn't move, then chances are it may give further downfall. So now I'll modify new support and resistances. Okay, so new support and resistances have been modified. So below this level, you can expect a good down move, and above this level, we can expect a good up move. But since that major trend is on the downside, we can expect a good downside momentum. So while taking a trade on the upside, we have to take in half quantity, and while taking a shorting trade, you have to take in full quantity. Okay, these zones will also be remain no trade zone. I'll discuss once it comes above this. Okay, so same in Bitcoin also. This was a no trade zone. It went sideways. In here we got our SL hit because it went once in our direction and then completely reversed. And below this level also, same happened. So analysis remains same. I'll modify some of the support and resistances. Okay, so new support and resistances have been modified. So if market comes below this level, takes support, then also we can take a good entry. Those who have missed the train. Okay. And another trade in here is you have to look for a consolidating pattern in here and then look for a target in here. The only thing is you have to take the stop loss very small. Okay, multiple times there are chances that you may get your stop losses hit, but it is good that once you get a good trade from here till here, you can achieve easy 2000 pips. You can see easy 200 points. Okay, 2000 points. So majorly 2 to 3 SL of 200 points is nothing. You'll maximum hit 600, but if you'll get more than 1:4 trade. So in gold, nothing major. I told that this was a no trade zone. Still, it will remain a no trade zone. Okay, and I'll modify it here. This will be a no trade zone still. Okay, this whole zone will be a no trade zone, but it's better continuously no trade. And if it comes below this level, you have to look for selling opportunities, but let it make a good bearish pattern or a bearish angle. And above this level only, we have to look for buying opportunities. In here, you can do scalp, but it's advisable not to trade or take in half quantity only. Okay. If you like my videos, please like and share, friends. Thank you.